Welcome to Who Are These Startups? Podcast shorts featuring founder interviews of Canadian startups.
You got game.
Woo!
How's it going, guys?
Amazing!
You enjoying Collision so far?
Oh, it's great.
So please introduce yourselves for our audience and tell us about You Got Game.
Okay, so I'm Jordan Wall, co-founder and COO of You Got Game.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Kadi. I'm CEO and co-founder of You Got Game.
I'm Garkar Anujla, technical founder and CTO at You Got Game.
Yeah, I am Hermit from Team Pumpkin, and we are the tech force behind You Got Game.
What inspired you to start You Got Game?
Well, right now, current dating apps are swipe left, swipe right. So we're really trying to change that whole monoculture and really try to break that cycle. So what we have is gamified that landscape by having gamified type of party games that people can use to meet each other and go on these unique dates, which we have in our dating marketplace. Really great experiences. We partnered with a bunch of places around Toronto, and we're really hoping people are going to enjoy it because it's growing every day, and we're really helping small businesses. That's part of our joy.
So how is it different from, say, traditional dating apps like Tinder or Bumble?
So compared to like the traditional dating app where you would swipe left, swipe right, it's all it is like a virtual slot machine. With You Got Game, the way our app works is you create a profile, you have your preferences, and you're thrown into a game lobby with other people that meet your preferences. From there, you then anonymously play these like drop-in audio games. So it's kind of like the dating game or Love is Blind, but real time with drop-in audio. And so you're asking questions, the contestants are answering, and round by round you're ranking the answers. After 3 rounds, the contestant's eliminated, and in the 4th round it's like a compatibility test, a speed round that is rapid fire, and you're kind of using the answers that the Bachelor or Bachelorette are giving as the Rubicon for the answers that the contestants give as a kind of how to grade them. And then based on that, one contestant is the better choice. And then that's how you kind of find your match right now.
What's been your most significant challenge with You Got Game?
There's a lot of different places to start. The product we're making is completely new. There's not really much like it. So building it out from the base, making sure we have a really good foundation, not only for our marketplace, our game, but also something that users can really plug into and feel like they're really getting into the experience right away, making sure it's quick and seamless. And on top of that, we also have a lot of interesting challenges when it comes to exploring new avenues for how do we reach new users, how do we promote content, how do we get people actually online playing the games so we have a healthy, consistent population that's always going to be growing, bringing in new people. And it's what we're here to do today, and hopefully we find some great ways to get those problems solved.
So what brings you to Collision?
What brings everyone to Collision? Investment and money, right? We're here, we just have a closed beta that's launched, and we're getting ready to showcase what we're all about to investors, setting meetings. We are available to do that, and we have a whole team behind it, a whole platform to show, and even a deck that can really showcase what we're about today, what we're about tomorrow, and years into the future. We have a whole financial plan laid out. We're cost effective. We keep their prices low. That's why we're with Team Pumpkin, because they're the best bang for your buck and know what they're doing. And we're just going to drive that force forward. We're really excited. And if anyone's out there listening that's investors, come our way. It's a big, bright booth. Team Pumpkin, let's go.
Have you met any interesting people or had any memorable experiences so far?
Yeah, I've met with a few investors at a few of the side events as well as some of the main events with Collision, and it's been really interesting in the conversations, what the venture capital landscape is like here in Canada as well as like abroad, and kind of people have been very helpful. Like we had one VC who, he said, this isn't really my wheelhouse, but I know a couple of guys and connected me with them like right away to have conversations. And I thought that was something that doesn't often happen in in the VC space for startups like us, and so we really appreciate that kind of help.
And if people want to find out more about You Got Game, where do they go?
They go to yougotgame.tv. Look us up.
Fantastic. Thanks for talking to me today.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Greg.
This has been Who Are These Startups? Find out more at whoarethesestartups.com and check out our live events at TorontoStarts.com/events.